Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and tap on one-handed mode. Now hit this gray sweater next to Use One-Handed Mode to activate it. And make sure that Pull Screen into Reach option is on. Now to enter one-handed mode, tap on Home button twice. As you can see after that, it's enabled. If you wish to go back to the standard size, you need to wait a couple of seconds without touching your screen. Click on this area at the top or swipe up. To switch off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same sweater one more time. You can also scroll all the way down, and after clicking on Use One-Handed Mode, tap on One-Handed Mode shortcut. Then read all of those instructions, select Accessibility button or hold volume keys, and click on Save after selecting the best one for you. Finally, you can use one-handed mode by hitting this shortcut. To disable it completely, select one of those sweaters, or click on the two of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!